remember my friends, Fatima and Ana? They went on long sampling campaigns, cultivated bobs in petri dishes until every dish was filled only with the same bobs. What they do not know is that among several bobs, only I have BOBase, the enzyme they are looking for to make a new drink. Actually, my BOBase is a special enzyme as I grow in salty and warm environments. Unlike many other enzymes, BOBase is adapted to these conditions. Believe me, she's a pretty cool lady, not high maintenance at all. Fatima and Ana have a lot of work to do. They are looking for a new enzyme that will help with the color extraction and stabilization of Ocean 4 Biotech, the new drink that they are producing. Fatima and Ana have already isolated several bobs. Now they will test them if they have enzymatic activity. They will grow them on specially colored petri dishes. And if a clear zone around the colonies will emerge, this means that there is enzymatic activity. After growing, over half of bobs are already discarded as there was no enzymatic activity. Of the remaining plates, they selected the ones with the largest clear zone. Now they have only bobs. They will determine what is my name, which bacterial species I actually am, using sequencing of my genes and comparing them to known bacteria. How high is the activity of my BOBase with the spectrophotometer? How to isolate and purify BOBase to be used in making the beverage. This is a long technical step where many parameters have to be optimized to have the maximum yield with lowest cost and avoiding the use of harsh chemicals as much as we can. I have finally revealed myself to Fatima and Ana. Next, they have to decide how to produce the highest amounts of BOBase. For this, there are two options. They can grow me, Bob, or they can uncover the genes that are responsible for producing BOBase and clone them in another bacterium, one of my cousins that can grow faster than me. That is why it is better to use my cousin to produce BOBase. But do not worry, all is safe and tested. The girls decide to use my cousin. I'm sorry not to be working with them, but I will gladly borrow the genes of my BOBase to a cousin so they can have their drink of choice. So using my cousin, who is a fast grower, they optimized the growth conditions to increase the growth and yield of BOBase. They are using it now in their bright blue blueberry juice, Ocean 4 Biotech. Cheers!